Hey everybody, welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Iphone Bloke, where we help quality people to pick up quality products. So, in today's video, I want to talk about one of those iconic earphones which indeed gave a new platform to audiophones in the field of music. Yes, I'm talking about none other than Apple AirPods, which got released in 2012. So, Apple, when this was launched by Apple in 2012, the entire device, this was pretty much one of those ordinary earbuds, which many of us thought it's gonna be just like all the devices, where it's not gonna be, unique or let's say overwhelming successful, because whosoever had used headphones or let's say earbuds had a specific perception about the audio quality, the bass, the foundation, and so many things. But then once this was launched along with so-called iPhone 5s, trust me, it became an instant hit. This was one of those iconic release from Apple, which not only helped Apple shipped 600 million units all across the globe. Along with that, it was a unique name in the market, replacing, you name it, Sony, JBL, Harman Kardon, and whatnot. So, in today's video, we're going to talk about this particular earbuds overall performance, cost, price, quality, the foundation of music, fitment in the human ear, and is this really a product which you should buy, especially in 2020, whereas you already have a chance to buy AirPods, which is going to come with the latest iPhone 12. So that is where the $1,000,000 question lies. Is this still a product which you can bank on or depend upon in the longer run? So let's get started. I'm going to divide 5 different points, and with the help of those, we will give our verdict and rating whether is this an earphone to buy in 2020 for your premium music experience, right? So let's get started. The first thing first, design. So if you look closely, this particular product has a unique design, right? A design which is completely gonna blow you away because of its fitment. It is a sort of a headphone which, if you plug it in your earbuds, it doesn't come out. It looks premium, and along with that, the kind of instrument which has been attached with this specific earphone is unique. So one of the unique thing is the microphone, which is, you may say, what is so special about it? This is a kind of a microphone which can detect voice from 500 yards. Yes, I mean it, 500 yards. So if there's somebody who is shouting on the road, let's say from here, from where I'm sitting, and let's say 500 yards from my home to some other place, it can easily detect. It is that powerful. You do not need to buy a separate mic in case if you are a blogger or a video shooter, and if you happen to have this wonderful headphone called Apple earphone. So this is fantastic. The build, if I go with the build, it's unique. I think nobody before Apple had this design where they thought about the human ear canal, where they constructed as per the fitment of human ear. So that's number one. The design of this particular, so-called earpods, it's unique. And apart from that, the color option what they have chosen, it's just premium. The white is always great, whether you're gonna buy a car or you wanna have a white dress. White is always beautiful. But then again, nobody gave a touch when it comes to white headphones until Apple launched it. So design, if I go with my verdict, it's A++. There are no complaints about it. Number 2, which is the overall durability of this particular product. So this is my third experience, my third purchase with so-called Apple earbuds. First experience was way back in 2012 when I had recently bought my iPod Touch, let's say a year ago before that. So that gave me a great experience. But in 2011, when I had bought the first generation, it was a normal one. It wasn't a kind of earbuds which what you see right now. So 2012 was the first time I ever bought these kind of earbuds, and I was completely blown away because the kind of music experience I got, it was out of the world. Number one. Second, it is a sort of built where if you see the cord of this particular earbuds, it's absolutely rock solid. It doesn't have wear and tear, and it will definitely last long. So this is saying about Apple product. You pay a mega buck once, but you remain happy for the years to come. That is a tendency of Apple, because Apple products are not that so-called quite affordable when it comes to buying options. But then once you buy an Apple product, it really lasts long, right? So that's number two. Durability is fantastic. Number three, music experience, which is the big daddy, because anyone who is looking to buy an earbuds, their first preference is how good is the music quality. Let me tell you my verdict with a mega example. So Apple today ships along with iPhone 11 their AirPods, and if you go and check the AirPods in the market, it is going to cost you around 11 to 12,000 rupees, and those are wireless AirPods. I can bet you in dollars, not in INR, if you take this and do a side-by-side comparison with the AirPods, this device will come out a sure shot winner. It has a great bass, great clarity, great vocals, and whatever you need for a great music experience, Apple Earbuds has got it all together. So in terms of music quality, the bass, the every single details what you expect as a music lover is pretty much there in this particular product. So that's number three. Audio quality with this earbud is out of this world. You would never say no to this once you hear this. Last but not the least, my overall experience, my overall review, my overall user performance, verdict. So here's the deal, and the deal is, if you ever want to say yourself that you are a true music lover and you're somebody who believes in dynamic music abilities, or let's say dynamic music vocals, or let's say if you want to say that you are somebody who understands the ABC of music, then please take away from me that this is all what you need to enhance your music experience. With this note, I want to sign up, and not before I say thank you so much for watching and signing in for today's video blog. It was an absolute honor to have you. And till we meet next time, please take a very good care of yourself, and thanks for watching.